Hello, middle school. I'm here to talk to you for just a couple of minutes about what's happening on our campus on Friday. Friday, we're coming together and we're going to commemorate the memoriam of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. Now, during this entire assembly, we're going to talk about some very important things, some very true things about our Rwandan history. And we want you to let you know that this time is solemn. So that means that we're sitting in our smart positions. We are actively focused and listening. But this is not a time to play. So there's not going to be any smiling or laughing or giggling, even clapping or applauding. In order for us to truly recognize the things that happen and to give the right kind of thanks and right energy, we must be solemn, we must be stern, we must listen attentively, and we must lead with our hearts and our minds and our ears. We are expecting that when you come, you are 100% on your best smart behavior. We are quiet, we are following rules, and we are honoring all those people who came before us and had such stories to have to leave behind. Rwanda's seen some really, really dark and sad days, and it's time for us to come together and remember those. But Rwanda has also had some beautiful light, and we are the future that Rwanda dreams for. So being that we are in the future, we must remember our Sankofa rules. And if you don't know about Sankofa, it's simply you must look at your past to remember exactly who you are so you can take it into your present, so you can be who you're designed to be. It is time for us to honor our past, and it's time for us to remember who we are. So during our assembly, on tomorrow or today, whichever day it is, but on Friday, we come together. We honor, we sit smart, we stay proud, and we lead with love as we listen to the stories about the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi that happened here in Rwanda. I'll see you soon.